I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming you have owner or manager access to the channel. Without that, you cannot see watch time. Once signed into the correct Google account, open YouTube Studio. Make sure you switch to the exact channel profile if you manage multiple channels. If prompted, complete any two-step verification. These checks prevent permission errors later. After Studio loads, you're ready to go straight to Analytics. Don't search other tools. The official Studio Analytics is the only reliable source for channel watch time. Once in YouTube Studio, click Analytics on the left menu to access channel metrics. Immediately set the date range in the top right to the period you need. Last 28 days, 90 days, or lifetime, because watch time numbers depend on that selection. Next, switch to Overview or open Advanced Mode to see watch time hours. Use filters to isolate videos, geography, traffic source, or playback location. This helps explain why watch time changed. Make sure to apply filters one at a time so you can interpret results accurately. The watch time metric in Analytics displays total watch hours for the chosen date range. Read it as hours, not views. Click Videos to see per video watch time and use the Compare function to contrast ranges or segments. This reveals trends and growth drivers. If expected data is missing, make sure you selected the right channel and date range and that you have owner-level access. Also check for recent policy flags or processing delays. If problems persist, refresh Studio, clear cache, or try an incognito window before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.